They've got the mayor of Chicago, Lori Lightfoot, cursing out Justice Clarence Thomas as the far left continues to rage over the high court abortion ruling. A Washington Post reporter sharing an idea from Senator Elizabeth Warren calling to establish federally controlled abortion outposts complete with tents in national parks. Fox News contributor and civil rights attorney Leo Terrell is joining us right now. So those are two separate things. Leo, let's first talk a little bit about what the mayor said. She was referring to Clarence Thomas, who wrote a concurrence regarding the overturning of Roe v. Wade, which didn't end abortion. It just sent it back to the states.
You're absolutely right. And this is very, very upsetting. She sent the profanity she used at Clarence Thomas justify why these Supreme Court justices need protection 24/7. Steve, you know what she did? She sent a coded message by using the F word, by saying, hey, I don't care what happens to him. I don't care about his security. I don't care about his safety. And the thing about it, she doubles down and lies about the impact of the abortion ruling. I want to be as clear as possible. 30 years as a civil rights attorney, Steve. This case has nothing to do with gay rights. It has nothing to do with interracial relationship. You know what this is? This is lying and a distraction from the crime that is going on in Chicago. Our colleague, which I saw the segment that you did, was a tearjerker, and she's trying to use this as a distraction. It's insulting.
It was kind of tough to hear what she said, but she said, if you read Clarence Thomas's concerns, he said, thank you, F. Clarence Thomas. That kind of profanity against a sitting member of the Supreme Court, I get she's angry, but it's just a head scratcher.
I know, Steve, they're trying to politicize the Supreme Court. She's running for re-election. Using the F-bomb as a city mayor, and look at what happened with the attempted assassination of Justice Kavanaugh, they're trying to divert anger at the Supreme Court justice. And they picked Clarence Thomas. He didn't write the lead opinion, okay? Right. And they happen to go after him. I'm telling you, this is insulting. And let me be clear. We know right now in Chicago, before the 4th of July holiday, we know there's going to be murders, shooting, and mayhem in that city. Every week we know that. And what she is doing is she's trying to distract from it, Steve.
Well, you know, when I said it's a head scratcher, she then tweeted out this regarding it. She said, I said what I said. Now, here's the thing, Leo. You know, the Wall Street Journal had an item yesterday on the op-ed page that talked about the Supreme Court justices did not lie when they were up for their confirmation hearings. And the reason the Democrats are angry is because they've been able to use the courts to essentially pass policy. Now, they're not going to be able to use the Supreme Court anymore to just advance Democratic policies, according to the Wall Street Journal. They're going to actually have to have Congress do something and change the laws and not rely on the courts.
You are absolutely correct, Steve. And let me be as clear as possible. The Supreme Court did their job. They interpreted the Constitution. There is no legal basis for abortion in the Constitution. You don't hear any Democratic lawyers trying to find that. So what they're doing, they're mad, they're angry. And they had a majority in the House. They have the White House. Why didn't they pass it this year? Why didn't they pass it in 2008 when Obama had supermajority? They didn't do their own job, and now they're trying to blame the Republican. Thank goodness for President Trump selecting those justices.
All right. Leo Terrell joining us from L.A. Leo, thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve. Thanks for having me.
You bet. I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.